Yeah.
It was
Where the hell is my hat?
One Destiny Hero Monster Integrate or Destiny Hero Monster Integrate.
Wait, what? During your next time like this?
Destiny Hero Monster Integrate or set Hero Monster. Sneaks in with malicious.
Yeah.
It's not really that great. You run dash versus attack right now?
No. How much is in the rank?
Yeah, a lot of cards are for it.
Real.
Thank you.
You want that much for this?
Yeah. It's really expensive.
Hey.
It's short print.
You can come
Luster Dark's supposed to be short print. Wait, Luster Dark's supposed to be short print, is it?
Yeah.
Is it short print?
Nico pulls it. I pulled 5 packs. Didn't get any. He buys 1 pack and sold it.
I'm just go for it.
So the middle, never asked you to hang. Later, guys. Alright.
Yeah.
Did you play Science in there or no?
Hope they don't have deck that big.
Yeah, I know.
And then it's bad for you.
I know.
Very.
I don't know how to play.
You need nothing in this.
It's fine. Back.
And that goes bar and levy, you know?
The bar is luckier than I'm watching.
Pretty much, yeah.
How about you? I can mention a good hand too, homie. What? That's being greedy. You know what be going on.
Seriously, I wouldn't need it.
That's just so mean. It's okay, I still love you. So much better love you too right now.
I can triple on the C. The trigger point already in it. Medium worms.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
There. POA.
Oh, okay. I see.
Grimrow. Chawa.
Back.
Double Cruise.
One more card, you're
Yes.
Is that 13? This is 27 card deck. I think you're off.
What the fuck?
What?
Back.
What do you say?
Back.
One still? Say you don't go balls deep during your own turn.
Three.
I'm not playing the game, but I have Uncharted, whatever it's called, and it's pretty much the only game I have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trying this new flavor. Sweet Southern barbecue
What the
beef.
fuck happened to 6 sleeves?
Nico Ethan.
Binder?
Jeez,
Charge in.
Do you want to still go to Little Shop?
You guys did what's up on you guys or no? What the fuck happened to 6 sleeves? No. We made a different side of it.
That's fine.
Oh, I want this one.
Seriously.
Yes.
Stop rapping. You always get right.
Fucking
Nice
Watch
time.
that out. That all. You do Grimmers. Yeah, that's how you do it.
6 sleeves.
Grimmers look like a search there.
Can't remember fucking it. Probably either
Grimrow actually does.
Turtle or
I got this one 2 years ago.
second Chawa.
Google server.
I already used that one.
This is first damage?
Yeah.
I'm not getting over that, are
I feel like I missed nothing, man. It's on the right.
Let me get a gold start.
Wow, this hand's better than I thought it was. Wow, this hand's much better than I thought it was.
Pretty much.
Let's just pretend you fail or something, and here's the one. You don't need that. Incredible card. He runs that.
Interesting.
What the fuck is Chris? You got my lights on. Okay, now we have a lot more options, right?
Jay, when did you play today?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I got a roll wrong. You took 2 that one, right?
Yeah.
Not too good one.
Fuck, I hate that.
Lancer! Play Lancer!
Not playing Lancer.
Can I get 2 Duke Frogs?
Yeah, I want that frog engine.
I don't need all of the frog
Oh
engine.
my god.
Because I gave you 2 free Cobbins, so I was like, can I get 2, like, whatever.
Maybe? What? Maybe?
Do you really hate the deck? Like, seriously?
Maybe? I don't want to get rid of, like, just the Duke Frog, you know?
What do I do? I need to make my hand 0. I have to shot on the bird. I remember how you do this. Discard Fable out of your hand. That's the problem, I don't want hand.
I know.
This card's like always live in Avengers.
You already know what's right?
Here. No, Anthony.
There, that's the
Arm rounds on Magala. Magala attacks. I like. Does it lose the arm rounds 1,000?
Yeah, that's the best you
Does
can
it
get.
lose what?
1,000 attacks.
You haven't done anything yet with this.
1,000 for arm. Yeah. So it's unaffected by spells.
No, I want to go double Raj.
It counts as an equipped
And
spell
I
on
have 2
it.
cards in hand.
Oh, that counts as like a union monster.
That's all.
Oh, I'll put this card.
Because if you lance it in section, they don't get hornets
Dude, it's okay.
on it either.
What happened?
If you lance it in sector, they don't technically have hornet on it either.
You sync to librarian.
It's like the same rule.
So they can't send
I think my
Hornet.
librarian, I think I
No.
Big little here.
So Hornet's dead.
No, here, I got one here.
Yeah.
Back.
Still triggers your secondary.
Yeah, well, actually.
You know, the search is special.
have
They
that.
don't powerball.
It's like it's not quantum ball or white six tackle
Racist.
or pen. You play die ball. Fuck it.
Pretty much.
Oh.
Set mine.
Secret life.
I'll pass.
Yeah, the whole card can never get to me.
Yeah. There's no way you could
I would've
have
taken
get
it
this
into
raise. There's no way. Feels bad.
Fuck you. I'll say fuck you, Jason.
Yeah, there's no way you could. You didn't normal something yet. There's no way.
Normal summon this. Okay.
Satisfied now that you can't do it.
No.
Birdo.
Okay. Discard this for Kishana.
Pass.
This. Normal summon Kishana.
Think about taking the VLS out on Mars. Puts it into the exactly.
Stop. Normal summon Kishana. Look. How do you fucking do this?
I can die.
How do we have
I had
to
one
right?
in 6.
There's no point to it. There's nothing that will affect that will make you discard. Unless you reborn, no, then you'll get rid of librarian. Damn it. It's all based on luck.
Yeah.
If you want to keep Dushana or Nash, if you
You're not playing Vanguard. It's all based on luck.
Thank you, Anthony.
No problem. I always got to throw my 2 cents in about Vanguard.
Let's just see how it will work, but
Yeah.
keeping one hand. I'll take this. Normal summon. Raja. Spanish. Straw. Yeah. How do you do it again? Chain link 1, chain link 2. Is that how it works?
Good. Yes.
That's it.
Pass.
They dark hole. Next turn it would be raw.
Yeah.
We're feeling lucky today. Damn it, those are dead cards. Yeah. I never ran Shrag, I think. Grimrow.
You wish right now. You're about to put the wrong last one.
Can I see a grade? Discard. Special.
It's normal to unicorn. If they have like 2 cards in hand, they're screwed.
Unicorn. No, I wouldn't do that though. I wouldn't normal something action.
Yeah.
You still got this on board, right? Discard, Shadow. Where are you? Your Queen, whatever, you know?
Rio.
I pick Shadow, right? Discard. Special Shadow. I would do it with, give me librarian back. We're probably single box, right? I do it with Raven.
Oh, I see. Yeah, with Raven.
So we draw one.
I'm gonna do that. I'm taking out that
There we go.
real lesson here, but
Dino Rabbits. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're
Synchro
right.
for a 6. Synchro for a 6 with all information. Shadow's effect, discard this.
Yeah, we're singing for 6 of that. Yeah,
Normal summon. Shadow.
yeah, shit.
Yeah.
Targeting items. Always do. Normal summon, right?
No.
And that bird.
Normal to Shadow.
I had a full floating thing, thought I would do it. No, wait. If we didn't
you
get
got
it,
attacked by a dog.
it'd be a normal summon.
Pulling him out the.
I care what we have a potential sync with 3 of them. Yeah, I like this one. Galbraiths.
Yeah.
Draw one grand. That, Toronto effects.
Shit.
Draw one, discard one? No, this one's old monster with.
I think it may make the right call of synchro.
It's not easy.
Yeah, level 12 synchro. One with that.
That's why I said Toronto.
It's called Quasar. There is 12. And Red
Yeah.
Knuckle Dragon.
Shit.
Yeah, but what's my double dragon?
Reborn sex.
Nope, right
And
there.
you have the rock.
And two tutors.
See?
This deck works great.
And right now it's like on his bar.
I never had 4 guys.
Red Knuckle Dragon, if you get it out, that thing's like
Scam.
shits on you. Like, you lose
Yeah.
if you have no answer to that card.
And all the other things.
He's only beat over.
That thing gets bigger for tuners. The dodge traps. It's crazy. Probably the second or third best second. Quasar's still the best.
Number one synchro to go to. It gives you a pretty simple afterwards. They got it.
POI.
Shooting star.
Yeah, that one. I'll go around. I'll get all the shit. Trust me.
They made more synchros for the Stardust Dragon than anything else. Majestic Stardust. Shooting star.
Quasar. With Quasar, you don't need Stardust.
Yeah, I'm just saying. It's a Stardust version though.
Yeah.
Do one game one.
Which side can I
You can't target him though. That's what I'm talking about.
I gotta keep the Leviathan in.
Hold on a second.
That makes sense.
Swapping out that DLS.
Because poor guy, you know, obviously.
Decent.
You won't go and miss that. Welcome to your new deck.
You can do it right here. Overlay. Go Leviathan. Right?
Oh, like that.
You just remove that. Non-control that monster. Say it's a 2 somehow. Special.
About that chaos.
Non-control monster for a 3 overlay presenting. Pass. For attack pass. I mean,
I think our other hand was better.
yeah, you can still have options.
So fun.
Pass.
I like the beast skill is fun. One of the benefits.
Make a unicorn right now. Good.
Anything with 4 times.
Out of it? 14.
So there's not much you can do really.
And sight.
Oh, yeah.
Just to get it engraved.
They do whatever.
Sammy, do you have any money or no?
I'll take
That-
12.
so I'll do it.
What if you just like push the whole page fit?
And for this?
It's mandatory. Thanks
Why is it
for
The mandatory, come on.
Why is that?
But you both really gave me more.
Let me share.
They give me a warning.
What? You both gave me
One,
more.
like,
Some judges gave you a game. Both games.
What if I'm on a target?
Oh, then that's
Holy
just
boy.
I have a pretty good around here.
another good I don't know much. Ruling Slash is a good player. Not bad luck to
We just don't draw well.
No, not lately. Is that Quasar?
I can get one again. I don't really want to.
It's Quasar. It's game.
I think that's it. I mean, when we have 4
Quasar for game.
synchros and
So
that,
once Quasar drops, it's usually game. 9 times out of 10.
Of course.
you can't.
That's
What do
good.
you look?
I think this is it.
Oh, that word.
I mean, this is 4 sets, so they're scared. 5 on field. 2 cards in deck.
Put my battery.
Well, we need
My
to
app's
have all
good.
this still.
You should get mine. I don't like that one.
Okay,
Just
15
like
cards
mine.
in deck after all.
I'll show you.
Well,
Yours is gonna die.
No, I'm at 55%. That's so
I'm at
bad.
8. I made a couple of So that's 67. Yeah, so
Oh,
like,
damn it, you probably did. You probably had some of the stuff. Maybe. I don't remember seeing that. Or I might have picked it up.
What's
if I
that?
did.
Yeah.
You never know though. I do attack. I do level and attack.
Oh yeah, he says 2,800 beats. 2,900 beats.
Pass.
flip the pro.
I remember I was
It'd be
fighting
tight.
7
If you're not starting.
no spell.
I would be.
Play my board.
Put this in this back marker.
Do an action right there.
Doesn't look like
Back?
once.
What?
Doesn't look like people once.
Wait, so got you go to that.
Monster?
Side deck. Side deck, right?
I'm not done with the side.
No, I'm just looking. Random. Yeah.
That's something. Pass.
Oh wow. Out of all the choices.
Second, another MST. MST everything. All the back rows are MST.
That fucking suck.
Monster?
I didn't even pay attention to your hand. I'm like, what the fuck do you upset? What the fuck was I doing, Zach?
Oh.
Yep.
Combination this, JD, pot, JD first, then the pot. What two more out of this thing?
Of course.
This ain't consistent.
You would cry.
I would.
Your
Your turn.
What game you guys in over there?
I'm negated.
That's a camera?
Life.
I'm
Yeah.
at 34, you're at 61.
I have one of those in my house. I haven't touched
Vita?
it. Yeah, I haven't touched it since I bought it.
Doesn't it have like a phone like thing? Can't you like call people on it too?
I don't know. I'm telling you, I have it's in the box.
Can you call somebody on it?
I have the 3G one too.
3G. 4G.
Or whatever it is, the
I don't know.
cellular one, I don't know. I didn't even know I had a camera. How do I know? Just remaking my side deck. My side deck, I don't know.
Yeah.
Good attack.
That's balls.
How's yours going?
One game one. During game one.
Who's he playing?
Just got rid of
Nico.
Chico.
Oh well.
Roach just got rid of Sheehan. I think it's all downhill from there.
It's all downhill from there.
Yeah, once Sheehan got it. Good to go.
He got the rabbit. I didn't think
I'm
he saw
seeing the Levier.
No.
And oh, never mind. Wait, let me hold on to the dinosaurs.
Jared, why did you come over here again?
Oh, thanks.
He's gonna teach you a lesson. You suck.
Oh my god, when you put my fucking deck back, put it back where I had it. Pisses me off.
This is how you play Jay's deck. You just drop Judgment Dragon.
Seriously?
I'm that's a good
That's how I win.
We don't
dropped
know.
JD for the-
Chris, you're the one who dropped Judgment.
That's why I did the Josh.
We
I
can all
dropped
message
Dad.
with
No,
you.
you're
I dropped Dad a
the one
lot
who
more than I
dropped
dropped
JD in
JD.
battle.
That's kind of sad, actually.
Ask Roach how many times I dropped Dad on Mark.
No, I'm saying like
In a match.
That's kind of
Oh,
sad.
yeah, I
though.
remember that.
You dropped
I'm
Dad.
playing
instead
with
of JD.
Josh. Game one, I go JD, BLS, Woman of Wolf per game. One turn.
Yes, he said it was
The
one.
next game I went JD, Chaos Sorcery per game.
Lily. I like all that.
When you remember you were putting against Dan when he had a second Sacred Brain Death? He dropped BLS 4 times in one turn.